Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning AUTOCOMMIT command, rollback command and commit command. Basically AUTOCOMMIT command is used to manually commit the data. Rollback command is used to roll back the deleted data, and commit command is used to save data or commit the data. So let's see. Suppose I have created one courses table. I'm fetching the data. Select star from courses. Okay, here you can see lot of data are maintained, like book name. There are 5 books and cost and book names are present, but I want to delete some specific record. Suppose I want to delete 5 number record, but unfortunately I have deleted all the rows and columns. So how we can roll back that data? So to do this we have one query. I'm writing, just see set auto, what we have learned, see auto commit. Okay, auto commit is equal to off, and see this command just run. Now fetch the data. You can see we have all the table data, right? But I want to delete this specific record number 5, but unfortunately I have deleted all the record suddenly by mistakenly. Okay, then how to roll back all the things I will tell you. First I am deleting the record, all the record. Delete from courses. See, I have deleted by mistakenly all the records into the courses. Let's check whether it is deleted or not. See, only column names are present. All the data get deleted. Then there is a big question mark how to recover all the data or roll back all the data. So no need to worry. Just write one query, like a small query, roll back and semicolon. Just run that. Now query is successfully run. Now again select star from courses and comma. Check whether all the data is rolled back successfully into the courses table. See, all the data get rolled back. Now we have to save it now, because we have already done multiple operation on the same table. Like first we deleted all the rows and data present into the all the rows. Then we have roll back. So we have to commit that things. Otherwise it will get delayed after some time if you have not committed it. So there is one command, commit, just run. So all the operation we have done in that last operation is successfully saved, whether you have deleted or whether you have successfully rolled back all the records into the column. So understand now what we have learned today. Just use this command in regular daily basis in your MySQL operations. Set auto command for manually function, then rollback function is used to save the or roll back all the data that we have deleted, and last one is commit. Whatever function we have done, whether it is a rollback or we have auto commit the data, that function will be saved after the commit command. Okay, thanks for watching video. Do like, share, subscribe.